basically a food truck, and we just seen it driving by, so we chose to stop there. So we got the Mongolian Philly cheesesteak, just regular street tacos, and then we got the chicken over rice.
It's actually good.
Alright, trying the braised Philly cheesesteak. So look at that. It's juicy, huh? Good. Now chicken all rice or chicken over rice. It's alright. Regular chicken. Pretty simple, but it is flavorful. No, there's regular street tacos. A little basic. But, you know, let's see if they can execute it. Pretty dry, but that's about it. Overall, I'll give the Mongolian beef steak like a 7, 8 out of 10. Chicken over rice, 5 out of 10. And tacos, we'll do another 5 out of 10.